Unfortunately, we have.
Pretty
Let's see if we can get. His name is Sophie and Ruby. So let's see if we can get Sophie and Ruby. Tell you what, I'm going to fly this one off. Whoa!
How do you like it? That's it, Bird. Stay with her.
Because we have such a large spoonbill there. Come on, Sophie and Ruby.
I'm exhausted.
The smell of sardines. Yeah. What's it like?
Hey! Let's hear it for the bird. You better have something to give him something quickly.
Here, there you go. All right. Well,
now don't send that one. He's not going to get it.
This has been fun.
This is a great reason why we need to preserve our wetlands.
This is the reason, all right. Julie, thank you.
Where is he from?
South America.
South America.
They use these very specialized bills to probe in the mud.
It's fascinating.
He makes it look good.
Gardens, they're wonderful ambassadors. So please learn to
He's
preserve
pooping
our
on my head. I'm convinced of it.
Yes, he is.
All right, we're going to get the poop removed and also laser tattoo removal after the poop gets out of my hair. Somebody take the bird. Reach, get the bird.
I'm leaving right now.
Reach, take the bird, please.
Come on, let's get out of here. Hey, everybody. Look at Kathie Lee.
Hi.
Hey, look over here. You'll never see this again. What's wrong with you people?
Well, it's all in a day's work.
Oh, my God.